In this video, we will be talking about investing in real estate. Investing in real estate means investing in properties that have buildings or a piece of land. Real estate investments include commercial properties, residential properties, industrial properties, and land. It is important to understand that the prices of properties and land are different according to their location. At prime locations, the prices of real estate are comparatively much higher. In general, investing in real estate has not given very attractive returns in the past few years, but for those who have bought properties at appropriate locations and at a fair price, they have been able to generate good returns. Few real estate properties can help provide a stable income by renting the property, and at the same time, there might be appreciation in the price of the property. People think that a real estate investment can never go wrong, but that is not always the case. Again, repeating, the location of the property is crucial. The real estate price might appreciate in the long term, but it is not necessary that it will provide a good rate of return. Some people buy real estate properties at prime locations in developing cities like Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. So when the cities develop, there is a high chance that the rental income will drastically increase, and there might also be high capital appreciation. Investments in real estate are less liquid. If one wants to sell the real estate property, then he or she might have to find a broker who would find a person willing to buy the property. The person might or might not agree to buy the property at the price that you wish to sell it at. There might be some negotiations, and then there would be a lot of paperwork involved. Overall, this whole process can take a lot of time, and finding a person willing to buy the property can also take immense time, especially at times like COVID, where the economy fell. If one would have wanted to sell his or her property during that time, it would have been very difficult to find buyers. Another problem with real estate investments is that there can be a lot of legal matters involved. There can be problems with the rentee, there is a registration fee, stamp duty, and a lot of documents are required. So it might be a lot of headache owning properties. In addition to that, as we all know, the amount required to buy real estate properties is usually quite high, so many people cannot invest in real estate. However, there is a solution to these problems. Now we will be talking about such an investment option through which we can make real estate investments that tackles all these problems. REITs. REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. REITs is like mutual fund of real estate. We can invest in the real estate properties with a smaller amount through REITs. The minimum investment amount is 10,000 to 15,000 rupees. As everyone cannot buy expensive properties, and even if they can, they might not want to have the headache involved in owning a property as discussed earlier. So there are numerous hundreds of people who give their money to REITs, and those REITs buy properties. Through this, people can own a part in expensive properties at prime locations where even the rental yield might be high. They would not have to see the legal matters, the paperwork, and all that stuff, as the REITs have the lawyers and such people who would handle all this. The REIT would charge a small percentage for managing the real estate investments. There is a law in India that these REITs would have to invest at least 80% of the money in commercial properties where the rental yield is usually higher. And also we would get regular rental income because there is another law in India that on the profit earned, at least 90% of the money is to be distributed to the unit holders of the REIT. Additionally, these REITs are traded on the stock market. So as the prices of the properties owned by the REIT increases, the value of the unit of the REIT would also increase, which would help get capital appreciation. Investments in REITs will even help in diversifying our real estate investments and even our overall portfolio. To conclude, investing in REITs is a great way to get exposure to real estate investments through a comparatively much smaller investment amount. It will help diversify our investment portfolio, provide us with regular income, and will even give us the benefit of appreciation of properties bought by real estate as they are traded on the stock exchange. We will get all these benefits without having to take the headache of owning a property. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you were able to gain knowledge about investing in real estate and REITs. In the next video, we will be talking about investing in bonds.